Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and we have completed our box, but we need to do a test cut, and then we need to compensate for the curve. I've already made a complete duplicate of my drawing, and you want to do that because you're going to fix it and mess it up. We only need to change the male parts for the curve factor. I'm going to change all the females so it does not change our dimension, so everything will fit good. So we need all the female parts. We do not need this part. Tell you what, it'd be better since you have a duplicate, just delete it. This has all males. This has male and female, but let's just delete them. These are the two test cuts we need to make. Well, I'll tell you about it. We do need that one. This one has some females and males, and we do need the males. So this piece, we're going to rotate 270 degrees. This piece will fit on this side. As you can see, the kerf is nothing. The lines are on top of each other. If I place it right, it will be. As you can see, the lines are on top of each other. I think you could probably change either one, but if we change the females, you won't change the dimension and you won't kind of get lost. Now, I was going to show you how to do a test cut. We've got copies of everything. Just take a rectangle and just make that, take your virtual segment delete key and delete everything. Delete that. You could actually go in here now and delete this line. It wouldn't really matter. Delete this line. So there's your two joints that you need to test. So and then less than 2 inches of wood, put it up top left corner, cut it out, test it. I guarantee it's going to be loose because you're going to lose kerf. Everything that cuts wood is going to take out a little bit of wood, even the laser. Normal kerf is probably like 0.03, but we're going to bring this back in now. That's why you made a duplicate. Control D. And we're going to go in and change just the female joints. And we're going to change our nudge factor now to, sometimes my laptop messes up like that, to 0.009. Take our shape tool. You're going to have to click on it and ungroup it. Grab your shape tool and think about what you're doing here. Grab your shape tool. And it wouldn't really matter if you did the inside or outside, but we're going to do the inside. And I'm going to move this down one nudge. I'm going to go to this one. I'm going to move it down one nudge. I'm going to go this one nudge. This one nudge, one nudge, one nudge. So that's done that side, and you would need to do the equal on this side. We'll just go ahead and do it. I think I want to start at the top, one nudge down, one nudge down. So you're doing every other set, and all you're doing is reducing that space for that to fit in. And just kind of to prove a point. And you would need to do that to all your female parts. If you're either going to do males or females, I did the females. Let's rotate this thing to 270 degrees. Let's bring it up. And once you've done them all, what I would do is do what I just did and then do that exact same test cut. And there's the difference. You're that far. Well, I must not be on here perfectly. I've got a little hiccup in this box, but so there's your kerf. And that's going to help make the joint tighter because the male and the female are a little closer together. And you might have to do that again, but if you do that and do a test cut, and then that's too loose or too tight, just back off the number a little bit. I truly hope that helps somebody. I've had several people wanting to make this box. Take it out the laser, make your test cuts, And I said in one video, the only other joint that might not fit is this clasp. If it bends around and doesn't quite fit, it's too loose or too tight, you don't have to recut this piece. Just move this joint up or down, and that's very easily done. We'll just do it real quick. I've taken enough of your time. Grab those nodes and just move it up or down what you need. You're not hurting anything. We've got enough space in here. If you remember from the other videos, we left this space a little thicker than your wood is 0.14. The wood is 0.13, and then by the time you, or really the wood is 0.125. By the time you sand it, and please sand your work. If I can't stress it enough, especially on these finger joints, and really on these finger joints, it'll save you a lot of, if you can elevate the wood off your vector bed, because there's a lot of lines to be cut, and you're going to hit some knot holes in your plywood, and it's going to char. It's on the inside, but you're going to open the lid and you're going to see it. Anyway, I really thank you for watching. I hope you watched all of them, and thank you for watching.